Welcome. Hi everybody. My name is Dadal Yuvraj. My speech name is Sardar Patel. I just for your 5 minutes and I teaching for you who is Sardar and which he was. So please listen to me. Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel was born in 1875 at Karamsan, a village in Kheda district in Gujarat. He was farmer coming from a farmer's family. At school he was naughty and mischievous boy. In due course he passed his matriculation examination and after some years he passed law examination. He practiced on a lawyer at Godhra. He carried on a roaring legal practice as he was impetuous. He went to England and became to barrister at law in 1923. Become the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha. Since then, came to be called Sardar Patel. His elder brother, Mr. Vithalbhai Patel, was the president of Indian Legislative Assembly. He jailed several times in connection with the freedom movement. He was right-hand man of Mahatma Gandhi. Was his most trusted lieutenant. Sardar Patel is the most important member of Central Parliamentary Board, control with a firm hand, completely changing map of India. In 1947, India was partitioned into Pakistan, Free India. Sardar Patel did 15 December in 1915 and Jai Swaminarayan.